solve this problem is on section 2.4, exercise number 13. So first of all, I want to export this data into a spreadsheet. Here is the data. It's asking to find the range, so I will order the data from lowest to highest. So select the data, select here, and then order. So the biggest is 15, the smallest is 2, so 15 minus 2 is 13. So the range is equals to insert the formula, first press the equal sign, then select the highest minus the lowest, and then enter. And so it's 13. So 13 is going to be the range. Now it's asking the mean. To find the mean, we need to add all the values. Actually, when you highlighted the values here on the bottom, you see the average. Also, it's counting that you have 10 values given, and the sum is 83. So other way to do it is divide the total, the sum, which is 83, by 10, and the answer is here 8.3. So in Excel quickly, I have the average, and the average is going to be the population mean. So it's 8.3. Check the answer, and it's correct. Now let's find the variance. To find the variance, I need to add more columns. So let me add here another column. So let's insert. So these values posted in the column A are the X values. Now I need to insert another column that is going to represent the X minus the mean values. So it's X minus the mean. So this is going to be this value, the 2 minus the mean. Recall that the mean is 8.3. So it's this minus 8.3. And then the next one is equals to this value given minus the mean, which is 8.3. Enter. And then this value is going to be this value minus the mean, 8.3, enter, and so on. So you can copy this formula. Excel understand that, for instance, here is going to be the A6, which is the 7, minus 8.3, which is the mean. So these are the difference between the values given in the data set and the mean. Now I want to add another column. In this column, we are going to raise to the second power the previous value. So it's going to be the X minus the mean raised to the power 2. So let's do it. So this is equals to, this is the value of 10 when you subtract the mean from the X value. Now we need to take this value to the second power. The caret is used to represent a power, so this is power 2, and just enter. The next, repeat the process, is going to be this result raised to the second power, and enter. You can do this several times or just copy the formula. To copy the formula, just select the cell, and then hitting the square, put the mouse. When the mouse is converted as a plus sign, just click there and scroll down. And so these are the difference square. Now we need to add all of them. Let's put here, if you highlight it, you can see on the bottom what is going to be the sum. And the sum is 180.1. So the variance, according to the formula, is the sum of the difference squares, or the squares of the difference, divided by the total number of values in the data set. So this is equals to, again, the sum of all the squares difference is 180.1. So this is 180.1 divided by the total number of values in the data set. And the values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we divide by 10. And the result, just press enter to get the result, is going to be the variance. Oh, I forgot putting the equal sign, so we can enter the calculation. So it's 18.01. Here we need to round to the nearest hundred, so 2 decimal places. So just copy this number over here. It's 18.01. Check the answer, and it was correct. And now it's asking to find the standard deviation. The standard deviation is just the square root of the variance. So we need to take the square root of 18.01. So standard deviation equals to, and the answer is, I need to take the square root of 18.01. The square root in Excel is SQRT. You see here is telling returns the square root of a number. Yes, take that one and now enter the number. The number is the value you get in the variance. You can enter 18.01 or just select this number. Automatically Excel is going to take this value here. Close parentheses and then enter. And now here is asking to round to the nearest tenth, so it's 1 decimal digit. If you round 4.243819 to 1 decimal digit, it's going to be 4.2. So 4.2 is here. Check the answer, and that's correct. And this is how we calculate the range. The mean of the population in this case is going to be a population, the variance of the population, and the standard deviation of the population.